Hey everyone, this is Toby and I'm here with a review on The Coffee Shop by HuiNiu. This is a wonderful building set that is comparable to Legos and it's extremely affordable and pretty easy to put together. As you see here, all you have to do is follow along with the instruction manual, grab all the pieces required for each section, and then begin your building process. This project took me about 3 days. I didn't work on it constantly, but it took me a little bit of time, but it wasn't difficult to get this together. So as you see here, I'm following along with the manual. It's not very difficult at all to follow. The pieces are easy to work with. They aren't too finicky. I think the most finicky part was, the little tiny coffee cups, just sticking those on there, but that's what happens with something so small. I can say that this is very similar to Legos, but actually more affordable, and the quality is excellent. I'm going to give you guys a full view of the outside and the inside in a moment. But I'm just showing here the building process, a little bit of the building process. So here is a full view. I'm going to begin with the outside and then I'm going to show you the inside. So this is a full 360-degree view of the outside. It's very realistic. The colorfuls are wonderful. The quality of the material is excellent. And here is a top view, better view of the top of it as well. Now here is the inside. The one thing that I like is that this actually opens up and you just pull off the little notch there that holds everything together, and it opens up and all the blocks do snap together to create hinges. The inside of this is absolutely amazing. Look at those details. It's just like a little real cafe. I love all the intricate details, including the paintings and the clocks and the little muffins and cinnamon rolls. And I just love the little tables there with all the glass. And it even has an air conditioner duct. Like, this is so realistic looking. And I love the fact that it has a menu board. You have the cake dish there with more cinnamon rolls. And you have the coffee maker, blender, has a sink, and full kitchen. This is really amazing. So I'm just show you the little details here, a little up close. So you can see that this is a really good quality product. And another thing that I like, this includes a building block that has fairy lights attached to it. I'm still trying to figure out how I'm going to arrange the fairy lights on the inside. I may just take a little bit of fine clear tape and just arrange it and tape it against the insides of the walls of the inside of this little cafe. But I'm going to show you guys what it looks like when it lights up in the dark. It's too cute. Now, keep in mind I don't have all the lights arranged the way I want it, so you'll have to figure out how to arrange your lights. But overall, I give this product 5 stars. I mean, look at it. It's absolutely amazing. This is pretty bright in the dark as well. So if you're thinking of a product that is affordable and that's fun to put together, try this Coffee House by HuiNiu.